Ang ganda.
It's kicking you in the face. It's nearly here.
Okay, go na. Good morning, Ate Paris. Good morning from Cairns. Today is Sunday. Uuwi kami ngayon. Nakapag-check out na kami from our hotel. But we're going to have breakfast first. Iniwan namin yung mga gamit doon sa hotel, guys. Mamayang gabi pa kasi yung appointment. Yung flight namin sa 6 o'clock, so we have to be at the airport around 4 and it's still 12. I'll carry you. Kumabalok, oh, they've got drinks here. Tingnan nyo, guys, sobrang ganda ng view. Oh yeah, that's from the other night, remember? And I said don't pick it up because that's dirty. Oh, everywhere is busy. We'll go somewhere else. Hanap lang kami ng makakain, guys. Ate, hindi ko na na-end yung vlog kagabi, guys, kasi my goodness.
The fish is in the water.
Anong oras na kami nakauwi? At alam niyo ba, we had to walk from kung saan yung dinner nila pabalik dito sa sa room namin. Kasi we checked Uber and sabi 25 minutes away. We don't really want to wait 25 minutes away, guys, for the Uber. Hindi kasi siya malayo. Talaga lang kagabi ay sobra akong nahirapan kasi ako, 'di ba? Nag-high heels nag-wedge ako, 'di ba? So sobrang tangkad ko kagabi. And I had to walk bare feet. And tingnan niyo naman ang nilakaran ko kagabi, guys, oh.
Standing there. The water come to me.
Oh, yeah. Yesterday. Tingnan niyo, guys. Very sharp. Sobrang sakit ng paa ko, guys, hanggang ngayon. Grabe. But, yeah. It's fine. We had fun. Don't we, honey? Yes, my love. Yeah, we will have later. Come on. Yeah.
Never finish eating.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, okay. Stay. Ate, stay here, ate.
They got toasty.
Yes, honey. What are you getting, my love? Come on, city girl. Daddy Mike, next stop dito. Gusto na pupunta sa next one daw. Nahanap na ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang place. Oh, your friends are here. Let it go, let it go. Dito yung mga nasa wedding kagabi. Oh. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Let's take a photo of you there now. Do you want a photo there? Okay, hang on. Okay. Like the, yeah. And
Who's in the corner of the room? Oh, God. Oh, wow.
A few moments later.
We're just waiting for the Uber.
No, the taxi.
Our taxi? Taxi?
Daddy said we're going in.
Goodness. Kung nakikita nyo lang ako ngayon, guys, butil-butil
Finish now?
na pawis. Tingnan niyo si Daddy Mike, oh, basang-basa. Grabe, I don't know how they handle the heat here.
Mama, do you want to take this one?
You can throw it away.
Love.
Where's Ben?
Love. You.
Lini! Tingnan niyo guys, oh, basang-basa ang kanyang ulo. Ha, so hot. Si mama niyo, oh, tingnan niyo, oh. Grabe, basang-basa ang aking buhok ba? Parang maligo. Nak, we're going na, anak.
Master than
We're
there.
going.
Master than there.
Tingnan niyo, oh, sa Ate Paris. Nak, look at mami, nak ba? Tingnan niyo kung gaano kabasa ang kanyang buhok. Hmm? That's all sweat. Dito na ang aming sundo. Gusto pa nga namin maglaro si Ate Paris dyan, guys, ha? No, may park sa harapan. Na, aalis na kami. Doon na lang kami sa airport. Maghintay at least. Maginaw.
Him being Aboriginal, they do a lot of, he does a lot of their work with the Indigenous. Yeah. Fuck, I love that guy. What's that? I love him. That's my favourite. I don't go for the Cowboys, but he was hands down and by a long way my favourite player. Yeah, that laugh.
Come on, Ate. Daddy's gone. La. Quick, go, Daddy.
Squeeze.
Hintay lang kami ng flight namin dito.
My teeth are going.
Yeah. Come on, make it enough.
They're biting my nose. Hurry! Win! One shake your body, clap. One shake your body, clap. Cha. Your nose.
Again na.
They're kicking you in the face. Kick it down. Too fast. Okay, my turn.
2 days later.
Hello! Hi! Kakagising lang yan, guys. Naghuhugas ako ng plato. Alam niyo, pagkadinig ko ng boses niya, ay diretso talaga ako dito. Kasi, she is starting to crawl now like a big girl. Yes? Yes? Tapos, kanina nung nandito sa Ate Paris, guys, oh my goodness, buti na lang sa Ate Paris dyan, nakatch niya ang ating baby Celine. Ba, are you crawling now? Are you crawling now like a big girl? Yay! Say, hello, tita and tito. Here. Hello, tita and tito. I am big girl now and I'm crawling. Did you have a good nap? Did you? It's nearly 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Do you know that? Do you know that? We're going to pick up Ate Paris now. Hmm? We'll see if we can see Ate Paris here. Be, hindi kita man guys. Last time, nakita ko siya kanina. Sa sandpit dyan, No. We can't see Ate Paris! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Yay! Good job. Good girl ni Mama B. Good girl ni Mama B. Give it to Mama B. Bah! That's better! Show me your teeth, be. Dalawa na yung ipin niya sa baba din, guys. Dalawa na yung ipin sa baba. How are you feeling, my love? Naka-on pala yung aircon natin dito sa kwarto kasi kanina pa iyak to siya. Naiinitan. Nak, you're having goosebumps, I think. No, we'll turn it off now. We'll turn it off now. Is that okay? Oh, look at, can you see Ate Paris? Don't call her Rob because she'll get... Can you see Ate Paris, guys? Kita niyo ba? Kita ba? Ayan siya. Oo, ayan. Lini! What are you having there? Huh? Dito na kami sa labas, guys. Ayan, as you can see, nasa prom na ang ating baby girl. We're going to pick up Ate Paris from school. Yes? Are we going to pick up Ate Paris now? Show Tita and Tito what you've got there. Ito yung milk rusks. Ayan, para sa kanyang titi. Titi. Because you're a big girl, you're having teeth now. Show me teeth, babe. Show me teeth. Show me the teeth. La. Goodness. Napakainit ng araw. But, hindi katulad doon sa Cairns. Actually, guys, this is third day na since nakauwi kami from Cairns. And hindi kasi natapos yung vlog ko na yun, guys. So, sumpay na lang nato dili, guys, ha. Here's our street. Ayan, so today is Wednesday. Nakauwi kami Sunday. At naging busy na ang mami nyo. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Ang daming nangyari. Saya. Sobrang busy ng daan, oh. Peak hour na ngayon. Napauwi ng mga tao. So, as you can see, very sunny, guys. Pero hindi katulad sa init doon talaga sa Cairns, guys. Like, undescribable talaga yung init doon sa Cairns. Grabe. Please ngayon, kahit na pinapawisan ako, ay hindi talaga katulad doon na pagkalabas talaga ng bahay, good luck. Basang-basa na agad ng pawis. Where do you wanna go?
McDonald's.
Old McDonald's? Yun yung tawag niya sa McDonald's, guys.
That's the chippy store.
Chippy store. Show me what you draw, babe. Kaka-pick up lang namin sa kanya dyan, oh. Alam niyo ba, sabi ng teacher niya, payak-iyak ko siya kasi nga nakita niya kami doon. Hindi nga sana ako magpapakita, guys. Kaya lang, pagka ano niya ba, angat niya ng ulo niya, nakita niya ako. Kaya yun. Wow, did you draw it?
Yeah, that was in the morning.
In the morning? That is so good.
I made that.
That's a very nice drawing.
And I made a necklace.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That is so beautiful, my love.
I made them.
Did you do it yourself?
Yeah.
That's good. And did you have a good day today?
Yeah.
Home now again. What are you having? Nakauwi na kami, guys. Grabe, tingnan nyo, pawis na pawis si ate nyo. At ang ating Ate Paris na nandyan. Kinakausap ng kanyang tatay. As you could see before, so nandyan na siya sa school, nandyan sa likuran ng aming bahay. Remember, hindi yan siya dyan naka-enroll before, doon pa, lalakarin pa namin doon yung school niya. So, yun yung mga nangyari guys, in the last few days, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, we transferred her to a new school, which is, yan na nga, sa harapan. Dyan, harapan ba? Hindi, likuran natin. Kasi, hindi ko nagustuhan yung doon sa first na inenroll namin sa kanya, guys. At first talaga, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na parang, alam niyo yung first impression, kapag pumunta ka doon, kinakausap mo yung mga tao, parang iba talaga guys, iba talaga yung feeling ko. And nakapag-trigger sa akin na i-transfer si Paris at i-end yung enrollment niya doon is that yung second day niya doon, pinick up ko siya ng 4 o'clock ng hapon. At pagka-uwi namin, the same pull-ups yung kanyang suot. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko sa inyo na this one is, come here. Dahil nga sa issue ng kanyang constipation and all. So, medyo nahihirapan kami mag-toilet train sa kanya. So, hanggang ngayon ay nagpo-pull ups pa rin to siya. At minsan, sinasabihan niya kami na pag wala siyang pull up, sinasabihan niya kami na kailangan niyang pumunta ng toilet, ganito, ganyan. So, dun sa unang school guys, ay yun yung nangyari. Pagka-pick up ko sa kanya sa hapon, the same pa rin yung pull up sa suot niya from the morning. So, hindi ko nagustuhan yun guys. Kasi para bang, pinabayaan nila. You know, klarong-klaro naman guys, diba? Pagka-drop ko sa kanya in the morning, tapos pag-pick up ko sa kanya sa hapon, yun pa rin. So, it's very clear naman na, you know, napabayaan talaga nila. Siguro hindi na nila na, sa dami na siguro ng kids na, binabantayan nila. Well, kaya yun, nung Monday, kami dyan. Ay, Monday ba yun?
I'm gonna have cheese sandwich.
Cheese sandwich?
Yeah. After the cheese sandwich, I can have a cupcake. The pink cupcake.
Okay. So, nag-tour kami dyan. Last week ba yung tour natin? I can't remember.
Just
Hey, you wanna join it?
when we're getting ready, I was putting the thing in the walls and seeing fall down.
Yes. Yeah, I remember. And then, nung Monday, ay siya, yung trial ba niya dyan. So, pagka Tuesday, start niyang first day niya, second day niya ngayon. Alam niyo ba, dyan sa school na yun, guys, dalawa silang Pinay. So, yung, I think, assistant director nila ay Pinay, tapos may educator din na Pinay. Pero hindi teacher ni Paris kasi sa siya, nursery yung isa. So, we'll see how she goes there sa school na yan. Inenroll lang namin si Ate Paris sa first school niya, doon sa kung saan in-stop namin yung enrollment niya. 3 days siya doon. But this one, only 2 days for now kasi gusto namin ni Daddy Mike na i-fill muna na 2 days, maybe for 1 month. Tapos after 1 month, if she's feeling comfortable na, then we can change it to 3 days. But yeah, yun yung mga pangyayari in the last few days. Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. What's going on? What's going on, Sinini? Huh? Yes, na?
This is dry.
Dry now? Oh yeah, even this one, I think. See, show Tita what we got there.
Let's play It's definitely not dry. See?
Did you go to the toilet today, Paris?
I'm not sure.
You did not?
No.
Why not?
Because I still got nappies on. I changed my nappies.
Yeah, I know you changed your nappy, your pull-ups. I'm just saying. Did you tell the teacher that you need to go to the toilet?
No.
No?
No.
Ayun ko, guys. Ewan ko na lang talaga, guys. Kaya mga mamshi dyan, Bigyan nyo naman kami ng tips kung paano to siya.
Mommy.
Nabubuang na ako, guys.
Mommy, I wish this can be like this.
Yes?
I wish it won't be dry.
Okay, you can still play with it. It's not too dry.
It's a little bit dry. Could see the back. Touch the back.
Siya, tita, tito, what you make this? Did you do that by yourself?
Yeah,
And what did you play with them when you were at school? What did you play? Did you run?
but
I seen them chasing you.
no.
Nini.
We're playing PJ Masks.
What are you playing?
PJ Mask.
Yeah, my favorite.
Uy! Nini! Alala, tingnan nyo. Put it down, my love.
You're playing PJ Mask.
Yeah,
Daddy, can you just pick up the sandwich stand?
yeah, serve the sandwich and we can.
You can have a pink cupcake.
Yeah.
You have
After
the
a sandwich and water, we'll have a pink cupcake.
have the grapes as well.
I'm really fish of mine.
What's that, mate?
Grapes. Nakagubot yung buhok na ko eh.
Okay, yeah.
Pawis din yan, guys. Le. Si Nini! How many friends have you got at school?
100 million is one.
100 million one.
Yeah, 100
Wow, that's a lot.
million, 131.
131? That's amazing.
131 times 1 to 101.
Okay, my love. Are they girls or boys?
100? And then
Are they
one,
girls or boys?
Both of them.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay.
Means 100, 100.
Mummy?
Guys, kakauwi lang namin. Umalis kami para pick upin to walker ng ating baby Celine. First time niya dito.
I came around Celine, so I came around.
She can reach the floor. You remember you had one like this when you were a baby. And you used to be really excited when Daddy comes home from work. Come here, Celine. Move here, Celine. Move here. Come on, Mami Kiel.
What?
Tingnan niyo, guys.
It's moving a little bit.
Lily! Hi!
It's moving.
Is she moving?
Yeah.
Aww, have a look at that. She is growing. Where's the music now? Wow! What's that? Maybe we can take this off now? Umiiyak siya kanina, guys, kasi sasakyan. Nakatulog siya. Yeah, show mo. Here, anak. At pagkagising, ay paiyak
Celine in there?
Yeah, have a look, buddy. Yeah, look at Daddy. Show off to Daddy, Lee. Show off to Daddy. Ah.
Celine!
He'll walk there.
Yeah, it's okay na.
Celine!
And he's going to
Are you a big girl? Ate.
I'm just doing this.
Yeah, let her play. Wow. You can walk now. She'll discover that she can walk with that.
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang paa, oh. Kung ano man. Naka-ano man sa sahig.
He's moving. Come to Paris.
Oh, come to Ate Paris now. Go, Ate Paris.
He's nearly here.
Okay, go her na.
See, come. He's coming. See, come.
Go, Ate Paris.
Don't be shy, see, you're almost there.
You're almost there. That's sabi ni Ate, oh. Pumunta kasi kami ng Woolworths, guys. Alam niyo ba, pumunta kami sa ibang Woolworths na shop. Kasi,
show the toy.
si Daddy Mike ay gusto
I
niya.
want to show the toy to them.
Yeah, after dinner. Gusto ni Daddy Mike na itry yung ibang Woolworths na dito sa...
I'm on my hands to do some work considering I'll be in the baby fight with a few thumbs.
Daddy Mike, may ano ka pa? Gusto ni Daddy Mike na pumunta sa ibang shop. So, ayun. Kasi tulog din tong dalawa kanina. So, pumunta kami. Medyo malayo-layo dito sa amin. Ayan o, ang amin na pamili. And Daddy Mike is cooking dinner tonight. Yeah, come on, Nak. Move there a little bit, Nak. So, Celine will follow you. Call her.
This way.
She is following you, Nak. Go, go, go. Go, ate. Oh my goodness, guys. My kids, oh.
Come, it's true.
It makes my heart melt. Seeing them too. Have a look at them. Oh, follow the Ate Paris. Go, go. Go, go.
My sister's shy.
Yay. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. We'll have a bath, huh? After dinner. Yep. Do you like it, Celine? Do you like it? Ate Paris, pakwan po na siya nga sa iya ng manghod. Push the button na, Celine. Push the button. Wow!
He's pressing it.
Alam niyo ba guys, binili namin to from Facebook Marketplace. Kasi, makakasave ka. Kasi alam mo naman guys, hindi mo to siya magagamit forever, di ba? So after few months, ay itatapon na rin siya. So sabi ko, hindi naman talaga kailangan bumili ng brand new. Because this one, you know, functions the same. It looks the same. Kasi para sa kanila din. Maybe siguro 6 months lang siguro ginamit din. Oh, di ba? So, makakasave talaga. So, pag binili ito siya ng bago, around maybe $79, gano'n, no? Ito siya, $30. So, more than half price. Di ba, anak? Oh? The rest, yung naiwang pera, ibili ng napi. Di ba, nak? Have to be very, very smart, anak. Ito na yung luto ni Daddy Mike, guys. Pasta. Pasta. And that's Ate Paris's. She's eating now. I'm talking to the family on Facebook video call.
That is ice candy. Do you know what is ice candy?
Baby! Nakadede na yan siya. Happy na yan siya. Yes? We will eat sa anak ha. Wala sila kada anak. Niyapon tama. Dong.
Hello! Sina kaano mo dyan na kaano? Okay.
Hi. Naka-shower na yan siya, guys. Tingnan yung mukha. Very sleepy na. Very sleepy. Ano. Si Daddy Mike pumunta na ng bed. This one is going to fall asleep very soon as well. Tingnan nyo. We'll just show this quickly na. Ate Paris just wants to show you this, guys. Show tita. Yan. Ito yung natanggap niya nung first day niya. Say, congratulations on completing your first day. Yan sa Ate Paris. Tingnan nyo. Paris is off to a good start. Do you know how to spell your name?
P-A-R-I-S.
Well, very smart, eh? Iyan na naman yung vlog, guys, kasi tingnan nyo. We're sleepy na, so we're gonna go to sleep. Si Mami ay sleepy na rin. Hilamos pa si Mami, guys. Pasensyahan nyo na. Sus. Taghiyawat pala ako nakuha. Walok na ako. Taghiyawat pa more. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye.